welcome back on this Tuesday morning. We are starting off kind of quiet over at the Mackinac Bridge. Not a whole lot happening. We're kicking it off with mostly clear skies. So if you're traveling to your destination this morning, there are no hazards out there this morning. So we are looking good. Now, today we are going to notice that temperatures are going to be into the 60s again, just like yesterday. And we're going to have a prominent easterly and southeasterly wind flow. So there might be a little bit of a breeze at times, gusts of around 20 miles per hour. That's not a whole lot, but if you're near Lake Michigan, since that wind flow is kind of east and southeasterly, it might be a little bit more breezy along the shoreline of Lake Michigan. Here's what's happening. There's that area of low pressure system moving out of Minnesota into Wisconsin, bringing in several rounds of showers and thunderstorms for folks out there. This is that system that was very slow moving from the plains, keeping some rain showers around all weekend long through yesterday for parts of the UP. Now, most of that rain is over into Wisconsin. So this morning we started off with some clear skies and that prominent easterly and southeasterly wind flow. Here's your hour by hour for today. Aside from an isolated shower or two, not too bad. Some sunshine. We'll have a few more showers pass on through tonight, extending into tomorrow morning. So here's 6:30 tomorrow morning. We'll likely have a few rain showers across the southern areas of the UP throughout the day tomorrow. But otherwise, this is not something that's widespread by any means. By Thursday, we're looking at more sunshine and still that east and southeasterly wind flow. Let's talk about wind gusts today. As I mentioned, near 20 to 25 miles per hour along Lake Michigan. So that's where you'll generally feel a little bit more of that breeze today as compared to those interior areas. And it also is going to be a warmer day. Now let's take a look back at the last several days as far as temperatures. We had recently about 8 days of above normal temperature. So this goes back to September 13th and then all the way through yesterday. And you can see that this last stretch of 7 to 8 days have been above normal. And we're going to stay that way. This is why. Here's a jet stream. There's that area of low pressure that's still very slow moving. It's going to continue to track southeast into the Ohio River Valley and then eventually get absorbed into the main flow. But there's the ridge that comes in behind it to replace it with this big unseasonably warm air mass. And that's the one that's going to allow those temperatures to climb this upcoming weekend. Today, upper 60s to low 70s in our interior areas with mid to upper 60s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Lows into the 50s tonight, and then tomorrow similar temperature ranges with mid to upper 60s. So great opportunity for you to get outdoors, check out some fall colors. Here's an updated fall color report for you. Some of those western counties starting to see around 70% color change, still ranging around 40 to near 60 in the central UP and just patchy areas across the eastern counties. Regardless, though, we still have a couple more days of those 60s, so that's not super warm, and some mild overnights that'll help continue to change those leaves and the color of those leaves. And this weekend will be really great for you to go check that out. It is going to be very comfortable this weekend. Well, it is going to be warmer, so we're not talking about any frigid air by any means, so shouldn't stop you from checking out those hot fall colors.